Hi guys, I just made a video how to install Chadwm on Arco Pro, but it could be anything. It's a script that we have, get Chadwm, and it installs stuff. Maybe you would like to remove it afterwards, so if you're not falling in love with it, that's okay. So this is the look, and wait a little bit and then that kicks in. So this is Chadwm. Like it, hate it, right? It's up to you to decide if you are going for the beautiful or the beauty that tiling window managers are. All right, so this is it. How to get rid of it? Well, it's actually manually quite easy. It's not that difficult. Sudo pacman minus remove something. What did we install? ArcoLinux, and then we find Chadwm, right? That's the one we need. Remove that one, and if you see at all the packages that we have, as you see, we have FWM3 installed. So we type XD. That's what we have installed. And is there anything Wayland? No, there's no Wayland stuff. So just two desktops, FWM3 and Chadwm Desktop, right? So yes, this is the one we need to remove, that's for sure. So that's gone. When we uninstall it and we reboot, it wants, of course, to auto log in into Chadwm. Well, SDM settings say go and log into automatically Chadwm. That won't work. We just removed it. So we get the choice here. And here we are on FWM3 again. Ctrl-Alt-T and SDDM-K. Right? You can do it again and say, all right, let's go back into the session and choose the right one. FWM3, I think it is. Control X, and then yes, please, or XD. Quickly have a look. So it's okay. That's the name, VFWM3. So Super X reboots. We log immediately into FWM3. Now we got this get Chadwm script. But there's also the ArcoLinux, ArcoLinux. Let's maybe launch it from a terminal. ATT, the ArcoLinux Tweak tool, right? One of the selling points of this little app, it's not a little app at all, this big app. Let's go for screen resolution because it's way too small to have it all on there, right? So that one, voila, better. So we have here desktop and then Chadwm, and then we install and then wait for it, right? Chadwm has been installed. So it's back. Super X, log out. It's the fun, right? Playing with things, in, out, up, Chadwm, and there you go. We're back at Chadwm. Ctrl-Alt-T, let's do it via terminal. ADT is the trasher. We can trash stuff as well here. Trash the desktop. So he's trying to delete all things, and if you see this a little bit more complete, it takes into account that there's slog and EWM, so these guys go too. And then we can close this thing. Right, Super X reboot. Chadwm is gone, and a little bit of other apps as well. And they will only be deleted if there is no dependency for anything else. And there we are back, right? No Super X, let's log out. There is no Chadwm available, and how do you know that? Because there's no drop down at the top left. There's nothing there, so there's no choice to make. So basically, there's one desktop. All right, have fun.